So I am going to be installing an idatastart BM1 here shortly. I bought this as a kit that is not pre-packaged, so you can buy the CMBMXA0 on its own. The BM1, so it's THR BM1, this is the T-harness kit. This comes in the T-harness kit. This is an expansion module, so you're going to take your control module. You're going to slide this cover off and put them together, just like that. And you'll see it has an old USB. Gosh, what is that? Mini USB? Pretty old standard. And you'll just need to find yourself any old cord. You don't actually need the special flasher anymore. So we'll hook that up. Now we have it plugged in, we're going to get the firmware. So one thing I don't like about this is you're going to have to use Explorer, Internet Explorer. So let me get to, so we're going to go to the flasher module section. So the first thing, you're going to have to be logged in, and you're going to have to do a couple things. There'll be some prompts. It's going to tell you to download some software. But once you do that, this all runs pretty smoothly. So it automatically detected it. So the lights came on this thing. So what we'll do is we select our make, which is BMW. We're doing this on a 2015 X1 6. So once you do that, you can pick what you're doing. I ended up doing a copy star setup with my remotes. You can, so then it's going to tell you when you need to flash. You can configure features, which is really cool. So here you can choose things like trunk hatch release, a couple other little things. The RAP shutdown means when the car shuts off after remote start, it kills the radio, otherwise it'll leave it on. Here you can do vehicle will shut down when you jump in it. So if you open the door, here you can do lock, lock, lock to start, lock, unlock, lock, or disable. There's a number of other little things. So once you do that, this has already been flashed, so I don't want to do it again, but you'll hit save, flash, and it's going to flash this. Then it'll tell you to wait, and then it's going to actually flash the expansion pack. You're going to have to do both. So make sure you have them hooked together first, then make sure you have the proper USB, and once everything's detected, run through this setup. Very easy. Again, you don't need any special cable. This is just a regular USB, nothing to it. So yeah, that's fantastic easy. Pretty impressed that you don't need anything special to do this. You don't need to pay for this account. You don't need to be a dealer. I just am, Joe Rando, and it worked just fine. So, all set. So, I'll go on to the install later, but this is, to be honest, very easy. I'm very impressed with this little product so far. We'll see how I feel after I have it installed and test it out.